1 month has already gone by. That's 31 days, 744 hours, 44,640 minutes down the drain. Nearly 10% of 2025 has faded. Can you name one goal you promised you would start New Year's, the first day of January? Well, if you're watching this video, I'm guessing the answer is no. The truth is, most have been or are in the same position you are in right now. The same dark place where your dreams are slowly eaten by unkept promises. The same dark place where regret and failure literally eat them from the inside out. I've been here before, and I can confidently say this is one of the worst feelings anyone can experience. The feeling of unaccomplishment, failure, regret, the feeling of being so close yet so far. This is insanity. Doing the same thing and expecting different results every single time. Living the same year every year and wondering why you aren't getting anywhere. The reason you can't make a change, the reason you don't see success is because you're too focused on the end goal. Hyperfixated on the results, the what if. People who are stuck in the past are sad, and those who focus on the future worry. You exist in the present. You're able to change it, see success, improve in it. So why worry about something you can't fix? This mindset alone steals the most important time you have in actually getting somewhere and seeing your dreams manifest and come true. The problem is most see these absurdly difficult and time-consuming goals at face value, which in the long run will only demotivate you and trick you. Now obviously the goal itself can't trick you, but what I mean by this is that these goals are a mile wide but only an inch deep. I think this analogy perfectly encapsulates the fear and unwillingness in people trying something new, people trying something different, stepping out of their comfort zones and testing the waters themselves. And I get it, trying new things and setting crazy goals is scary, but the fact is you will not get anywhere if you stay in the same place. The hardest part of it is getting off the ground, because once a rocket is in motion, it stays in motion. And guess what? Once that rocket reaches outer space, it won't need to rely on its fuel, because all the fuel, all the energy it put in from before allowed it to escape Earth's gravity. The effort and consistency you continue to put in will allow you to escape your self-perceived limit, your boundary. The only thing you need to do right now is just start. And I guarantee your future self will not regret starting now. This will be the hardest it will ever get. It isn't just about focusing 100% of your time and energy on that main goal. Sure, that may bring you the most fulfillment, but it's important to have balance. Balance is the framework to progress, the equation to success. It's the foundation to your character as a whole. Without it, you become disorganized. And when you're disorganized, everything falls apart. Sure, balance maybe isn't the solution to all of your problems, but I guarantee you it's a hell of a good start. You have more than 90% of the year to achieve whatever you set your mind to, whatever goal you decide to lock in on. But it's up to you whether you decide to spend that time improving yourself or trapping yourself in the same cycle of abandoned goals and unkept promises. By this point, most have already clicked off the video, but to the handful that are seeing this right now, this is your wake-up call. This is your sign to lock the fuck in during 2025.